Hello, today we are making homemade milkshake without ice cream. You will need a cup of milk, a cup of whipping cream, 1 cup of ice cubes, 4 tablespoons of sweetener, which could be honey or syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit of vanilla bean, and for our toppings, we are using Unreal M&Ms, chocolate syrup, and caramel syrup. Now we're gonna put the ingredients in the blender. First, put the ice in. Then you're gonna put the milk, then the heavy whipping cream. Add your sweetener. Then you're gonna add your vanilla extract and then your vanilla bean. Now we're gonna put the lid on the blender. Make sure the blender's plugged in. Turn it on high. We're gonna check and make sure all the ice is crushed up. All right. Now, if your milkshake is too thin, add some more ice cubes. If it's too thick, add some more whipping cream. Add some more ice. Turn your blender on and make sure it's on high. If you want some flavors in it, we're going to be adding chocolate. All right, and blend again. Now, we're going to remove the lid, make sure it's nice and thick, and pour it into your cups. That's melted.
Perfect.
And to top it all off, you're gonna add some of the M&Ms. And then we're gonna drizzle it. To taste test, I'm going to bring in my sister.
Oh.
That is good. Subscribe. You should definitely make this.